From extreme drought to flash flooding, just like that. Just to give you an idea, the last time we had over an inch of rain in a day in Austin was July 23rd, 1.04 inches. I just checked. In the last hour, Camp Mabry picked up 0.91 inches. You can see the lightning there. We do have storms. At this point, I'm less concerned about severe weather. I'm more concerned about flash flooding. 62 degrees as well. After a near record 87, the record high 89 degrees. Here's where we stand right now. Line of showers and thunderstorms with lots of lightning. 618 strikes now, stretching from New Braunfels down San Antonio, San Marcos up toward Austin and all the way into Williamson County. And it is moving extremely slowly. The heaviest rain and the hardest hit thus far here in red. This is a flash flood warning for Blanco County that does include south of Johnson City, Blanco, and Twin Sisters. This is in effect until 12:30 in the morning, and for good reason. Huge swath here in orange with 3+ inches of rain and radar indications of nearly 5 inches of rain in some locations. Ground truth, as we look toward Twin Sisters, not only did we see severe hail earlier with 2-inch diameter hail, that's the size of an egg, reported at 7:35, but just in, Little Blanco Road is closed due to fast-moving water, between 2 and 5 inches of rain there. So turn around, don't drown. There is at least one closure, and I would suspect more due to the very heavy rain. Now let's talk about the I-35 corridor. Travis County, Hayes County under a flood advisory. This includes Austin, Kyle, Pflugerville, and San Marcos. 971,000 people in this flood advisory. That's one rung below a flash flood warning. There could be some minor flooding. Again, turn around, don't drown. And here's an example of some of the rainfall totals, even in Travis County. 1 inch to 2.5 inches, almost 4 inches out near Dripping Springs and points west. And this is going to continue for quite some time because the cold front is super slow moving. But what's worth noting is that we're also watching as the drought conditions that were with us, well, we're finally starting to see relief in the areas that have been hardest hit. The front moves from west to east overnight tonight, but we may still deal through the overnight with more periods of heavy rain, which could potentially cause us to have more flood advisories and more flash flooding. But by about 4 a.m., the worst is over. First thing tomorrow morning, I am forecasting a 20% chance of rain, and then we see sunshine move in. So election day should be just fine. But keep in mind, another 1 to possibly 3+ inches of rain could fall in some locations that may cause some flooding. So please avoid any low-lying areas that you know are susceptible to that. And tomorrow, 75 degrees and looking good.